if we in this our generation, if we fit achieve, say we bring our Mmuo back, makandebo elu ofuolo, it why everything never pure for you. If we for this our generation now we do now fit reinstitute our African spirituality, yeah, even like at least make our children enjoy, because guys, alo unenu alo kwefo na banya na Igbo anine na Africa, alo is stacked on top of alo. First of all, oka bu alo, oka no onye bu alo unenu alo na banya. So if we can even in this generation fix it that I am more to need 80%, 80-20, right? Say 80% in need with Orafa. The next generation go enjoy. I'll become this generation. Now look, Keba is cover. All what of all we don't lost for our brother na kwa. Na do no kita na walo. Ndi befana guy ilioka. They never even start. See, learn more about if you want to start doing your ego more, if you want to start being in spirit with your more, learn. I teach how to do that in my book, my best-selling book, Ego Mmuo 101. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so check that out everywhere you get books.